Hello there. Due to a recent update right after I made my Xpad video for Linux on Android, Xpad is not showing up in the taskbar. Now this will probably be fixed right after I make this video, but in any case, this video will cover an alternate way to open and close Xpad. If you are interested in Linux on an Android, then you may be interested in my playlist that will cover how to install and set up a Linux desktop on an Android without rooting. Here I am running the command xpad -t, which toggles between opening and closing notepads. This can be done on any Linux system with Xpad. We will be putting this command in the Xpad launch command so that when we put Xpad in the taskbar and click on it, it will open and close notepads like normal. To edit the launch command for Xpad, we will go to the menu, and in the accessories category, we will right-click on Xpad, select Properties, and go to the Desktop Entry tab. Here we will add --t to the end of the already existing command. We can also edit the icon by going to the General tab and then clicking on the icon and then selecting the desired icon. When we're done selecting the icon, we can click on the OK button to save the change we made to the launch command. All we have left to do now is to add Xpad in the application launcher. To do this, we just right-click on the application launch bar, select Application Launch Bar Settings, and then we can add Xpad to the list of launchers. After we've added Xpad to the list of launchers and have closed out of the Application Launch Bar settings, we can now see that clicking on Xpad in the taskbar will toggle between opening and closing all of our notepads. If you enjoyed this video, then you may be interested in the companion book to this video, Linux on Android phones and tablets. And other than that, see you soon!